What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the journey. Today is Tuesday, December 19th in the year 2023, and I have another day trading video for you guys. This is the ES chart, S&P 500, looking at the 2000 tick chart, and yeah, this is what the market looked like when I opened up NinjaTrader this morning. Again, I'm using the NinjaTrader platform to trade. But yeah, this is what it looked like. You can see yesterday we had a decent sized uptrend, broke, and then continued in that uptrend fashion and ended kind of lower. And then this morning we opened up pre-market early hours and would look like another range like fashion. This morning, I actually identified the trend, in my opinion, pretty quickly. At first, I thought maybe we had a smaller channel, but then I realized, you know what? I think I like the way this bigger channel fits. And we had one confirmation there, and then we had a couple more confirmations as the morning went on of this larger channel. So this is what I ended up sticking with. Identified the channel, stuck with it, and that's what I went with for the day. Well, not the day, at least the morning. But we got some bounces off that channel, and now honestly just playing the waiting game. You know, I've come to realize, and this needs to be talked about, it's like you can't always, you shouldn't be trading bar by bar. You have to be patient, wait for the setup for where your key entry points are. You know, you can't force anything. You can't trade bar by bar, you know, because then you'll just confuse yourself and you'll just end up, I don't know, confused, and just you'll lose the trade. You'll lose the trade. Every time I have traded bar by bar, I focus too much at the chart, I lose the trade and I don't know what's going on. But you have your initial analysis, you know, and now you just play the waiting game. And you just wait for the market to line up where your key entry points are, and that's what happens. And you just wait. So that's pretty much what I was doing. You know, I got these confirmation bounces. I have three tests of the this trend channel line, so I was pretty confident in it being an uptrend. And now I just wait till see where, you know, when it gets close to the channel, if it's something worth taking, to take it, or if not, then don't take it. But yeah, just literally, it's the key to the game is being patient and just take what the market gives you. And when your setup's online, take it. You know, that's really the key thing here is just being patient. A lot of people like to rush into their trades and just for something that really isn't there. And 9 times out of 10, you're gonna fail that trade. You know, there'll be times where you make that trade, but 9 times out of 10, guys, you're gonna fail. So it's crucial and important that you be patient. You know, it's what helps with me too. For sometimes, like when I make my initial analysis and I have my range, and I'm just waiting for a setup to happen, I go on my phone or do something else while I just wait and for the setup to happen, because it distracts you. Because when you're just too hyper focused and you're trading and just watching bar by bar print on the chart, you can kind of confuse yourself and you try to force yourself and you see something that isn't there. But as you can see though, now there's a break in the main channel. So now my initial thought is, okay, are we gonna see a second entry short, maybe second entry short failure along the EMA and get back towards to make a new high. That's what I thought was going to happen. So I was just waiting to see if we got something along those lines. The market gave us a higher low, which I originally thought about taking, but then was like, no, I don't like how that looks. I'm not going to take the higher low. I'm gonna wait it out. So I thought I was gonna put a limit order on it, but decided not to do it. But then the market gave us a second entry short failure, which I then decided to take because we had the lower high, we had the second entry short failure, and it just looked like a good setup to take after that. And so I was like, you know what? Screw it. It needs to get a new high anyway. So why not? Hesitated a little bit at first, but then pretty quickly filled my order. And, that was that for this trade. I got the runner too. I got a little bit above the high, which honestly I kind of kicked myself. I should have just kept the runner as high as it can be, because this actually took off, and it wouldn't have stopped me out if I would kept it at break even. The runner would have been a fat runner, but it is what it is. I do sometimes just take what I get with the runner. When I see it reach like over 3 ticks, I kind of just pull out early, but I should have kept it going. But it is what it is. There's going to be another trade out there. But yeah, this is my trade for the day, guys. It just, context-wise, it made sense for me to take it. We had lower high. Lower high was a bit sketchy, but then it gave us a second entry failure. Second entry short failure. And I was like, you know what? Context is right. And why not? And it worked out. And it ended up being a really good trade. But yeah, from here on out, it just continued to go up. We actually got the confirmation of the new high, and it really actually continued going up. Usually when you see a break in the channel, you're thinking it might be a reversal, but we just got a continuation, which looked like a continuation of the channel. And I after that, it was closer to me to get off, so I just kind of got off and called it a day there. But like I said before, it just, key is being patient and wait for your key entry points, and just ultimately be patient. that's really, can't stress that enough. It's when you're too hyper focused and you're like just always looking for that trade, always trying to I need to make a trade, I need to make money, I need to do this, you're going to fail. You're going to make mistakes, and you're going to confuse yourself in the process. That's what I have learned so far. That is what I've been learning. I've been finding the most success just being patient, waiting for my setups, making the right analysis, being patient, not looking bar by bar, but just waiting for the right setup and for the right time. And just, there's entries out there, guys. You just gotta be patient, take what the market gives you, and don't get mad, because you lose a trade, hey, there's always the next day, there's always tomorrow. It's gonna be all right. But yeah, guys, after that, like I said, it just kind of sheeshed up towards the top and continued the range. I'm not too sure how many more entries there were after that, but market's pretty slow. Again, it is December time, so you got to keep that in mind. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end the video off here. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I hope everybody had a great day trading, and if you didn't, there's always the next day. There's always tomorrow, always another day to trade, so don't get bummed about it. Losses are part of trading. But other than that, guys, I'll catch everybody in the next video tomorrow on Wednesday. Peace.